Yes, good afternoon. In last video, we were talking about Facebook advertising and we have discussed about it is targeted. You can target customer gender, age group, hobby, paying capacity and others as well. Right? Interest and all. Here how it appears on different devices. This is a screenshot of a laptop. When the Facebook is open on a laptop, this is the timeline and it is a timeline post, sponsored post on the timeline. It appears like that. The picture uploaded, the brief description about the picture. Right here for the sign up, shop, contact us, different. Facebook gives you the options of different buttons, button types basically. It is maybe the advertisement for signing up of a particular service. Here it may be a shop now button, right? It may be a learn more button, and different options are available. Right, as the options for the gender, age group and all, and geographically in a geographic region or multiple geographic regions in few cities only, 4-5 cities only, you can target. Right, this is a side column advertisement. Here side column advertisement, it is, as I said, news feed advertisement, news feed. It is side column and this is sponsored, mentioned sponsored on the Ease Facebook, for the Ease Facebook advertisement. Right, and boost post, two things are there. One is the boost post and one is ads. Boost a post when you see a quick, immediate, within 24 hours, that is a good response, organic good response. If you are observing organic good response within 24 hours or even less than that, it means that your audience is liking it, are interested in such post or such product. You may be advertising any product and response is very good organically, then you have to go for boosting that post. Flurry of high engagement you have giving your audience, information that they want to hear. Boost posts when you have important information that you want to audience to hear. That you can also do. Maybe you have launched a particular offer for a festive season, so definitely you have to boost it. It's a festive season offer. If the company has launched a new product, you have to boost it to inform your audience that a new product has been launched by the company. Don't do this all the time, otherwise you are forcing your message on an audience that does not want to hear it. Right? That you have to take care of how interested your audience. Advertisements, ads to see in your personal feed as a sponsored post. Instances where ads are useful and relevant. Build your fan base with a specific targeted audience. As I said, specific targeted audience means, in the last slide we have an example of the motorbike, age group of 20 to 35 for the motorbike. The specific audience for the motorbike will be making such audience only. Send a specific target audience to your website. From your Facebook page, you can send audience to your website as well. Right? You can products, if you are selling products on your website, then you can advertise a product, a picture of the product or multiple products, slideshow, video, and as I said, different types of button options are there, and you can, the visitor will click on the shop now button. Right? Shop now means the button here can be shop now, and it is, as the visitor clicks on the shop now, it reaches to your website, that is getting traffic on your website. Message a specific target audience in your fan base, as we discussed, for a new product launch or for a new offer, festive offer that you can boost. Engage target audience users with your app, right? These are the objectives. Different types of ad campaign on Facebook. AdWords that promote the business page, AdWords that promote the individual post. We can promote our business page, Facebook page. I think you all remembers the assignment of making Facebook page and sending me the link. Everyone, please. Two types of advertisement initially we are discussing here. We can advertise for increasing our fan base, increasing our followers, or increasing our page likes. Page likes, we see every time like page. Page like means if you are liking a page, it means you are following that page now. You are a follower of that page. So you can advertise your company's page for increasing your followers, right? Second type of advertisement is advert that promote the individual post. In this individual post, we may be posting a product, multiple product, 4, 5, 6 product at a time. You can advertise. You can show 5 products on Facebook, right? And whenever the customer clicks on the product, buy now or shop now, it reaches our website. So these are the two types of advertisements. One is for increasing our fan base, for increasing our followers, for increasing our page likes. The another one is for increasing our individual post. Post may be product picture or a service picture, a restaurant menu, a restaurant item, maybe butter chicken, maybe paneer butter masala, anything, picture of it. And they may be offering home deliveries, right? Or maybe booking tables, maybe table booking or weekends, right? That can be promoted. Advert for promoting business page. When we promote a business page, it looks like that. Here, promote. The promote button is here. But here, when we click that promote button, right? If anyone of you had made your Facebook page, then you will be able to see that promote button. Whenever you will click that promote button, still the options will be there. It shows the options. You are going to promote Facebook page, or you are going to promote your individual post, or you are going to promotions for website visit, increasing your website visitors, right? It will show the options. When we click on this is the page, right? Page option is here, and when we click on promote, then it shows different options, right? Boost post option is here. This is a post, and boost or post option is here. Promote website. You can promote your website as well. We mentioned our website, connected website with the Facebook page. When you will create your Facebook page from your individual ID, the page will ask about if any website is connected with that Facebook page. And when we provide the information here, yes, this website is connected with that Facebook page, then it will suggest us, will ask us for website promotions for increasing traffic. Choose the objective of your ad campaign. We can have, as I said, multiple objectives. Send people to your website. This can be our objective. We are sending traffic to our website. Increase conversions on your website. Sending people, increasing conversions, right? Boost your post, boosting any particular post. Promote your page, as I said, increasing number of followers. Boosting post is disseminating information among your audience, prospective audience. Get installs of your app. You may be promoting any application, mobile app, using the Facebook page, and when the customer, as the button I have shown you, the shop now, the install app can be there on the button, or one option is there for installing the app, right? Increase engagement in your app. Reach people near your business. If it is a physical business, then you may be promoting physical audience, footfall at your store using the Facebook. Raise attendance at your event, offers number of, and get people to claim your offer and got video views. These are the different objectives of your campaign program. At a particular time, you have to select only one objective. And if you have multiple objectives, then you can launch multiple ad campaigns. Getting the point? Yes. Target specific audience, custom audience. As I said, locations, United States or whatever locations, browse the location tab. Particular India, Uttarakhand, Dehradun only city, or multiple cities we can. Right, custom audience, you can select location, custom audience, then location, age group, and gender, as I said earlier. So these are the all language. If you are promoting in Calcutta, so you may be opting for the Bengali language, right? So these are the options available to customize your advertisement for custom audience, for a particular segment, for a niche. You can make a niche by selecting all those options, right? This is the beauty of the Facebook page, right? And monitoring Facebook advertisement, it tells about performance. This is your advertisement and ads, right? Total actions. Here you have total actions. How many clicks on that button? How many clicks on that button for shop now, or for app install, or for learn more? How many clicks you have, right? Reach. How many people have viewed that advertisement? Suppose 1,000 people. Advertisement reaches up to 1,000 people and only 50 have clicked on the ad. So we find such metrics here, right? Such reporting is available with your advertisement. How your money, you are spending your money, or about returns of your money, you are getting all the reports here. The Facebook page. Retargeting. Facebook retargeting, right? Facebook provides you with a pixel or code to be placed on your website by your web development team. A code on your website. Retarget those people who have visited your site in the last X days, maybe 10 days or 3 months, 90 days. Right? You can retarget by placing that code on your website. Retarget people who have visited a specific page on your website, checkout page, or a particular product page. You may be now have an offer with that product. That product may be have expiry date and expiring within next week, in 15 days. So you have launched an offer. So you can target these people with 25% discount on that product. Definitely they will be interested. So this is Facebook retargeting, right? Pixel is the same for every page, but you can have FB track specific pages. Getting the point? FB pages, and this is you can target on the off-season sale. As India now winters are arriving, so we may be closing our summer clothing on the store if we have an apparel store, and we in our stock now the winter clothes are arriving on the store. So we may have a sale on summer clothes. So we may retarget our customers. Right? This is about Facebook retargeting. Right? This is Facebook retargeting. This is a pixel code and conversion tracking. Conversion tracking. Track the people that not only click on your ad but go to all the way. Right? Thank you. Thanks for the day. Battery is dying. Thank you very much.